Alright guys, this is what I got yesterday. A brand new critical tattoo power supply. One of the best in the business. Got this baby for $250 at needlejig.com. Let's go ahead and open her up. As you can see the size of it. Pretty nice size. This right here. It's about the size of a bag for a bottle. So you can pretty much use your bottle bags to cover it for each tattoo. Perfect. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Beautiful. What I like about it is that you actually have to push the buttons in order for you to change the voltage or change the settings. I had an Icon EMS 400 which I did not like at all, due to the fact that it was so sensitive that when I would pick the thing up, it would switch modes, all sorts of stuff. I didn't like it. Got rid of it. Bought this piece of junk for 20 bucks on eBay. Don't like it, so my wife decided to buy this for me, which I love. It powers coil machines. I got here a Pulse Executive for my liner. Love it. 8 wrap coils. All original. For my shader, I got a Paco Rollins, which I love. Does really good black and gray shading. All for $150. And here's my rotary. It's Stealth, which runs super smooth. I like my Stealth. Pretty nice machine for color packing. Has a real nice long stroke. My needles. These needles are badass. Real cheap. 12 for 50 of them. 5-round liners at International Tattoo Supplies in Chicago. My second favorite, low profile needles from Element Tattoo Supply. The 7 types are badass. Got some needles from Worldwide Tattoo Supply. Don't really like them. Got me some needle jig. These are badass. One of the best I've used. I use Talons for lining. Badass ink. Recommend it. Anyway, let's see how she runs. Clip cord and foot pedal from Icon Power Supply.